Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do this beautiful Amla stitch using wire. To do this stitch, we are using 3 wires. So fold 3 wires, take one wire, next wire and place it on top of this wire like this. And the next wire, place it on top like this. So this is the first wire, second wire, third wire, and in this first wire we'll take the bottom wire and fold like this, and this is the second wire. In the second wire you'll take the bottom wire, fold inside this first loop. This is the third wire. This third wire, take the bottom wire and insert it in this first loop as well as in this second loop, and then pull them. So now we are done with this Amla stitch. We will do one more time. First wire, second wire, third wire, this first wire, bring the bottom wire like this. This second wire, bring the bottom and insert it in this first loop. The third wire, bring the bottom, insert in this first loop and through the second loop. Next you can pull them. So this is how the Amla stitch looks. Amla stitch looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.